if you can hear that or not. That's where our hole is. Turns out, as we're getting ready for this weekend's four-wheeling trip, got a buddy that's probably going to go with us. Gonna ride this old green machine. So I'm doing a little tune-up on it, and apparently it's got a slow leak in the rear tire. So I figure I'd fire up a camera and show you guys how to patch a hole with a, I call it a blackjack kit. I think that's the brand I've got, but basically a tire patch kit. So yeah, here we are. If you can hear that or not. That's where our hole is. So let's see if we can't patch that hole. Alright. Won this at the Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association convention a few years ago, and it has patched many an ATV tire. So a couple of key pieces in here. Looks like I'm missing a razor blade. Nope, scratch that, it's right there. Got a razor blade. This tool is used to clean out the hole, so we'll push that in there and clean out what's in there. This is to thread a patch into the tire, and then you use the razor blade to cut that off. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab a tire patch here. That's what it looks like. We're going to thread this through the needle and get that ready to go. Sorry about the camera work. This is not really my plan today here. We're just going to thread that guy in there. And I usually thread them in about a third, because then what you're going to end up doing is pushing this entire thing in there, and then there's a little bit of give, and so this ends up coming out. So you push this all the way in, you want the patch to go with it, and then you pull it out and the patch is left behind. Little bottle of tire repair lube, and usually all I do is just kind of lube this guy up. Screw the lid back on. Not that tight. We're going to go assault the hole over here. Roll her back just a tidge. Oh yeah, that was definitely our problem. Oh, looks like we need a second patch. Normally, you don't patch a tire more than once. These ATV tires only take 6-8 pounds of pressure though. I've got one patch in here where we have a pretty significant hole, and that one took, I want to say 3 or 4 patches, and that has held air for years. So, go penetrate this guy right alongside it. And you know what, just for good measure, we'll stick a third one in there. Again, low pressure. With a low pressure tire, sidewall patching is fine. Anything radial, so something you're going to have on your family sedan, your pickup truck, don't patch a sidewall. Just there we go. I think that's pretty good. Then we'll cut those guys off. Man, oh man. Try cutting just one off at a time. Alright, and this razor blade is not the sharpest. You know what? I'm gonna grab a utility knife. Much better. She's all patched. Odds are that'll hold her. Not doing anything extravagant. And more importantly, we carry this patch kit with us out on the trail, so if something does get a little beat up or I gotta repatch it, got plenty of it. We've talked about this kit in some of my other videos, and we're done. Put it back in the front of my four-wheeler. Man, it is hot out here. Forward, just a tidge. £4. Oh, she wants to roll on me. About 6 pounds. Why are you rolling? Alright. Must be on something on the other side. I'm just about 7 pounds. Thanks for watching.